Hello guys, it's Bam here. I have made a game for the GMTK Game Jam. Initially, I got many ideas on the loop, like a tower defense game with circular path instead of a linear path, and also like a crazy game like going to start menu and coming back to exit menu, looping over the menus kind of thing. Then I decided to make a skating game where the player needs to do aerial tricks to gain some points. I quickly opened up the Unity 2D project and started working on the prototype. I made the player and attached the movement script. We are using simple physics for the movement. I designed it in such a way that the player moves only when the wheels are on the ground. And I also want to make it like a real skateboard, so I tweaked the values and playtested to get a good feel. I have designed a simple prototype level to test the player on. As you can see, the player movement is not that much great now. He is tilting and we need to adjust some parameters. The player is moving, but there are many errors and we need to fix them. I tried to add a physics material for a smooth skating, which I think removed later. This is how our movement looks. I haven't added the depth logic yet. I have kept some collectibles which the player can collect and gain points. The slider represents the progress of the player. I also have added a slow-mo effect in the air so that the player have some time to do aerial tricks. Then I tried to make a ramp on which the player can gain speed. It's already looking like a decent game, but let's add some more things which can make the game exciting and fun. As you can see, the player boost is causing some trouble. The player is now going to the moon. I have added lives to the player. Whenever the player tilts down, he gets resetted and a life will be costed. The game will be over when he is out of lives. I have also added a small text effect to show up when the player does tricks. As you can see, when the player is in sideways, he is neither losing the life nor able to move. We have to fix that. After fixing it, I have added some more objects like breakable objects. When the player reaches a threshold speed, he can break the items. And also I have added a 360 ramp. For now, it just makes the player move in a fixed path. I have added a game object which shows the reactions to the player's movement. When the player does a good trick, it shows a positive reaction. When the player loses a life, it shows a negative reaction. I also made when the player does tricks, the points get added to the slider. I have added some small smoke effect when the player jumps and lands. It makes the skateboard look cool. I think these objects will give a lot of variety and options for the player to do more tricks. I have also added the logic. When the player does more loops in the air, he gets some extra bonus points. Then it's time to replace the prototype art. I have downloaded some cat assets and made some animations to them. And the name of my game is Cat and Skate, literally cats on skates. I have designed some more main menu things like options and also added some animation transitions using .twin library to the main menu and pause panels. I have added some stats to each level. I have designed 3 levels and a prac room. Prac room is basically the tutorial which explains the rules and everything, which no one plays, I guess. I also kept some stats manager which tracks the player playtime and also number of collectibles collected and number of things broken. And that's it. We are done with our game. It's not that great, but I am happy that I am able to finish it in 96 hours. I haven't shown you guys any level design yet, but I am sticking the gameplay at the end where you can check it out. And make sure you try out the game and leave some feedback. I was actually impressed how much things I could do in this 96 hours. And will be definitely expanding this project in the future if possible.